Alice's room was air-conditioned. She noticed that water droplets performed on side A of the bedroom window on day 1. However, in day 2, she observed that the water droplets perform on side B. Okay, so what are the conditions that would allow this to happen? And what are the conditions that would allow this to happen? Now again, let's revise what we know about condensation. We know that condensation can only happen, okay, if when water vapor in the surrounding air loses heat to a cooler surface. Alright, so we know that condensation can only happen when water vapor in the surrounding air loses heat. We know that water vapor is gas, and we know that heat to a cooler surface, right? And can only happen when water vapor in the surrounding air loses heat to a cooler surface and turns into water. We know that water is actually a liquid. Water is a liquid, okay? So, because the very important fact here is that it needs to lose heat, okay? Water vapor needs to lose heat to a cooler surface. So let's look at this. Now for condensation to occur here, that means the water vapor, here, okay, the water vapor, I'm gonna just maybe just show you the water vapor here, right, in the air, okay. Now this is not true, water vapor can't be seen, water vapor is invisible, alright, but I'm just showing you here in blue for you to be able to visualize that there's actually water vapor in the air outside the bedroom. Now when it touches, only when it is touching the colder surface, alright, so that means this side here must be colder, right, or cooler, right? This must be cold and outside must be, okay, for this to be colder, inside can be cold and outside needs to be warmer, right? So if one is cooler and one is warmer, then the water vapor here will lose heat as it touches the colder surface and it will condense. Okay, likewise, the other way around is also true. Now, for this to happen, that means the water vapor inside the room, okay, the water vapor inside the room, okay, wait, the water vapor inside the room, okay, which is invisible, not blue in color. I'm showing it blue so that you can imagine it to have water vapor there. All right, when it touches the cooler surface, right, and this surface can only be cool with a colder external, uh, outside the bedroom. So when this is colder and this is warmer, okay, this is colder and this is warmer, the water vapor, when it touches the colder surface, the warm water vapor here, when it touches the colder surface of the window, right, when it touches the colder surface of the window, it will be losing heat to the colder surface here and condensation can occur. Alright, so these are the facts, scientific facts and processes that you need to be able to uh, apply, okay, to know and to apply to such a situation, okay, and so now that you know this, when you're doing the test later on, look at the uh, options given and decide which answer is the most correct. Thank you.